of the year 2018, President Uhuru Kenyatta, accompanied by First Lady Margaret Kenyatta and Mama Ngina Kenyatta, joined other Christian faithful for Mass at St. Francis of Assisi Catholic Church in Nyali, Mombasa County. The head of state continued with his clarion call for peace and unity among Kenyans as one of the pillars of achieving a prosperous nation.
Nauliza Wakristo wenzangu kwa ujumla, tuendelee kuombea taifa letu, tuendelee kuombea amani, tuendelee kuombea umoja, na tuweze kufaulu pamoja kama Wakenya na kujenga taifa letu.
The head of state further underscored the integral part played by the family unit, urging Kenyans to live as one.
Hata kama familia inaanza with a unit, we are after all one family called the Kenyan people and the Kenyan nation, and we must learn to live, work, respect one another in order for us to be able to develop and grow a great nation.
The calls for peace and unity come against the backdrop of the Building Bridges initiative, informed by the famous handshake between the president and ODM leader Raila Odinga in March 2018. Meanwhile, the president has sent a message of condolence and encouragement to Kenya Revenue Authority Chairman Ambassador Francis Muthaura following the death of his mother, Mama Salome Kinya Muthaura, who passed on the 23rd of this month at her home after an illness. President Kenyatta said Mama Salome will be fondly remembered as an outstanding, great and an amazing person whose legacy will endure for many generations to come. Reporting for Channel 1 News, I'm Nancy Okware.